How to use Perplexity AI for business ideas. In order to use Perplexity AI for business idea, you could understand by analyzing the current trends and consumers' pain point in a real time as well. First thing, you could go ahead and open up Perplexity and ask what are the top emerging trends in industries for the particular year to find the high growth sector as well. Next, you could use prompts like what are the common complaints from user of the existing product to identify the areas for improvement or new product features as well. And you could also compare the pricing and the feature set of the top 5 competitor to find a unique selling point as well. And you have the strategic idea validations. So once you have an idea, you could use a pro search or a deep research models to stress test if it against marketing realistic. You could go ahead and ask for a breakdown of startup cost for a specific idea. Now, what are the estimate initiated cost and regulatory requirement to start a business? And you could also use prompt to define consumer segment, act as a strategic consultant, and define 3 ideal customer persona as well. You could also use a specialized feature for business such as Perplexity's Lab, Perplexity Space, and you could also go ahead and upload the files if you want to. So this is how you're going to use Perplexity AI for business. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.